Hi guys, I'm Shakzee and welcome to lecture number 36. Today we are going to discuss about the keyword planner, the Google's tool. Okay, before writing any content for your website, so as you can see, we have this website, which is a machine grab. If we talk about some website like Shakzee.com, many keywords ranked on the first positions for this particular website. Okay, now how can you determine that how many keywords are ranked on the first positions? You can also use the Ahref and you can also use the Alexa ranking to determine the SEO performance for this particular website. So now as you can see, we have some content available on the homepage first of all, and now we also have some content available on the footer. So these are also the keywords. So as you can see, coding nighter 4. If I copy this one, if I paste this one on the Google, as you can see, we have, as you can see here, this is the first result, and these are the videos, and the second result is ours. So this keywords ranked on the second number on the Google. Okay, now how can you check your keywords? How can you get any idea for your keyword before writing any content for your website? We have the keyword planner. So this is a Google's tools. If you click if you search this one, keyword planner, you also have several keyword planners, Ahref, also you have some blah 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 websites which provides you the search mechanism to get your keyword idea. Okay, we are going to click on the Google's. As you can see, this is the ads.google.com. Before accessing, you have to log in with your Google's account. I'm saying go to the keyword planner. Okay, now here as you can see, I have already logged in with my account. So this is my account. This is a discover new keywords, get keyword ideas that can help you reach people interested in your product or services. If you click on this one, now you have few things. In my case, I'm just pasting this here, coding nighter 4 tutorials, and now I'm getting the idea from my region, my country, which is the Pakistan, and the language is English. If I click on the get results, as you can see, we have 10 to 100. Let's suppose if I'm saying that the country is India, save, get results. So now as you can see, in the India we have 100 to 1k search for this particular keyword. So this is the right keyword for our website. Okay, let's suppose if I am going to get any idea from the globally, I'm saying for the all locations. So as you can see, we also have 1 to 10 keyword, 1k to 10k keywords. So we have a low competitions. So this is the right keyword for our website. So now we have few choices. If you have a lot of content in the text format, then definitely you don't need to write the extra content like this one. If you don't have the extra content in text format, you definitely have to write your content here and also in the footer. As you can see, this is the website, machine grab. Okay, it's a new website. Someone just launched this website on Pakistan. The purpose for this website, it's a B2B trading platform. First of all, it provides the selling and purchasing mechanism for B2B and B2C. Yes, I'm talking about business to business and business to customers. Okay, now you can click on the registration form. Just create your account, register your shop or the company, and start selling your machines. Okay, fine. We have just connect, and why we are telling you about this website, because we are going to implement some SEO for this particular website. Okay, now we have discussed about the keyword planner. So if you want to get any idea for your website or for your keywords for your content, or before writing any content, you definitely search or you definitely get any idea from here. This is a Google's tool, and you also have some other tools like Ahref also provide you the keywords tools or for searching keywords, or we also have a lot of keywords, finding keywords, just right, finding keywords online. So as you can see, they are also providing Moz. So these are the results. They are providing the keywords idea. Let's suppose if I talk about this keyword on here, as you can see, the location is Pakistan. Click, and on the Moz we also have this one. Okay, you can also get any idea from anywhere. So as you can see, it's a nail pate. I don't know how many websites there which provides you the keywords providing or keyword searching functionality. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. If you think we have missed something, please leave a comment in the descriptions or in this video, so we can recreate the videos, or we can give you any idea about your topic which we have just missed or which we have missed. So thank you for watching.